welcome to another episode of Art at Home here at Gippsland Art Gallery. My name's Meg, and today I'm going to show you how to make a stop motion animation using cut paper from recycled books and magazines, as well as some recycled wrapping paper and a old cardboard box. We're going to be using stop motion app on a smartphone, or you could use it on your tablet as well. To create our stop animation today, we've got a really big cardboard box, which is going to be the base for our phone to make sure we're not moving around while we're taking photographs. We've got a phone with the stop motion app and camera. We've got some Blu-tack to help keep parts that we don't want to move from moving around. We've got the Stanley knife to cut the hole for our camera to look through, and we've got some recycled books and magazines. First thing that you'll need to do is put your phone camera on and work out approximately where the camera is to cut a hole in your box that we're using to hold our camera while we're taking our photographs. You'll need an adult to help you cut this hole out, so I'm just going to do that now. So I've cut a hole in the top of the box because we're going to be looking down on the scene that we're making. If you're making a 3D scene in plasticine or something like that, you would have your phone at the front of the box instead. So I've got my smartphone here, and we've downloaded the Stop Motion Studio app, and we're just using the free version today. So you want to open up that app, and it's in landscape, so you'll turn it over. You want to make a new movie, so you're going to press the plus to make a new movie, and you can see it's already brought up the camera there. You can choose to change the format of your film. The one I created, I did it in a square format. So you'll click on the little cog here, and then it gives you the options if you click on this icon here with the rectangle and the two corner arrow things there. And I just chose a square format there. And you can see what that looks like because it's put the grey either side on my camera there. So I'll press done, and you can see now that only the highlighted area will be where I'm capturing today. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your phone on top of your box and line up exactly what you want to see in your field of vision in the box there. I have some old wrapping paper that I'm using as my background today, and I want to secure that in the box so it doesn't move around. I just want to make sure that I like how it looks on top there, and I'm just going to Blu-tack that to the bottom of my box now. Got our background down. You might like to make your own background, but I've just chosen some interesting wrapping paper, like I said. Firstly, I chose some interesting imagery from this book that I'd like to use, and I really didn't have much of an idea of what my film was going to be about. I just chose this kitten in a pot because I thought it was really cute, and I thought if I separated the kitten from the pot, I would be able to use those together, and maybe I could get the kitten to look like it was going back inside the pot. So I'm just going to separate those two images. There we go. So I've got my kitten in my pot, and my idea is that it's going to go inside like that. So I don't want the pot to move, so I'm going to put some Blu-tack underneath that, just a little bit. Make sure that I'm lining it up with my camera. That's turned off now. Made sure that this scene looks good inside my viewfinder from my camera. I've got another cat that I would like to add there as well. And as I said, I Blu-tacked down that pot because I don't want it to move. So what I'm going to do is take a picture of my first scene. I do that just by pressing the camera button and then pressing the red button. and you heard it make that click. Then I want to slightly bring out the cat's ears. Take another photo. Pull his ears out a little bit more. Take another photo. And you can see at the bottom of your screen, it's telling you on the right hand side how many photos you've taken. I'm going to pull his ears out a little bit more. Take another photo. Might make this cat come a little bit closer and pull the ears up a little bit more. Take another photograph. I'm going to keep doing that until I have the cat all the way out of the pot. Now we've got enough photos to show the cat completely popping out of the pot. I can show you now on my phone to show you what that looks like. Before I show you, I'm going to do a little line around my phone so I know exactly where to put it back for the next scene. If you'd like to review your footage that you've got so far, you can press the little play symbol there, and you can see that I've got my cat popping out of the pot and the other cat coming closer there as well. Press pause to stop it. If you'd like to go, you press the back button there. This has all the slides, all the different photographs that I've taken. You can choose, if you click on one, you could choose to delete it, erase it, delete, or cut it. There's lots of different options there, but if you want to get rid of one that your hand's in, maybe you can use the delete. So there are all the photographs that I've taken, and you can see as I scroll along, the film's still moving. One of the other settings that I played with as well was the first icon there, the speed. Originally I had it at 30 frames per second, but I changed it to 20, so I had a slightly longer film. So that's how you can change that. If I do it to 30, I can show you what that will look like. You can see that it's much faster at 30 frames per second. If I wanted to slow it down a bit more, just the little toggle there for settings, the first icon speed, and I can go all the way down. Maybe I'll try 10 and show you what 10 looks like. And then click done. Play to preview. You can see now it's very slowly popping out of the pot. And you can change that now, or you can change it at the end. It's completely up to you. Now we're going to take some more photos. I thought it'd be really funny if we had something else coming out of the pot after the kitten, so I've cut out this tiny weeny butterfly, and I'm going to make sure that I secure the kitten that's in the pot so it doesn't move, and I'm going to put the butterfly in and slowly have that emerge from the pot and possibly land on that second cat. Remember to hashtag us, hashtag Gippsland at home, so we can see your artworks. See you next time.